When I first talked about wag magtipid, magsipag. Wag magtipid, magsipag ka. A lot of people take it the wrong way, which I can understand. Hindi ka nagtitipid. It goes beyond money. Ang sa akin kasi is, chop wood, carry water. Work today, work tomorrow, work the next day. It doesn't matter. Magkano na nasa bank account ko. It doesn't matter. Ilan na ang awards ko. It doesn't matter. Gano'n kataas yung grades ko. It doesn't matter. Kasi tomorrow, I'm gonna work. Yun yung wag magtipid, magsipag. Because ang pagtitipid, you're winning by subtracting. Magsasubtract ako para good job. Di ba yun yung pagtitipid? Win by adding, not subtracting. So it goes beyond just money. If you enjoy working on something, walang limit yun eh. Sino naglagay ng limit? Kayo. Bata pa kayo. Di ba? Bata pa tayo. Bata pa tayo eh. How is pagtitipid an achievement? Why will I subtract? Why will I limit myself? How is that a win? Focus on working. Enjoy the work. Enjoy the grind. Hindi pwedeng, babe, nakagawa na ako ng content this morning. Okay na ako. Bro, kaya mo pa eh. Huwag magtipid, magsipag in everything. Effort mo, yung passion mo. Bakit? Hindi mo alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Pwede pa eh. Malay ko naman. Diba? So, huwag kayo magtitipid, especially pag nangangarap kayo.